Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony MAS-A100 Ceiling Microphone and you need to do a hard reset on it to the factory default settings. Now there's one of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this microphone not connecting or not working properly and you are trying to troubleshoot those issues, or if it seems like it's not responding or not connected or not detected, we can fix a lot of those issues with a hard reset. The second reason you might want to do this is if you want to just set this microphone up on a new network and you're just trying to get a fresh start, like you just got it out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. It's really simple to do. You're just going to need a paper clip or a pin or something. Just make sure it's not too sharp that it could damage the device. And what we're going to do is we're going to come around and at the top of it or the back of it underneath the microphone, depending on how you have it set up, we're going to find the pinhole, and we're going to need a paper clip or like a pin or something, and we're just going to press in and hold it. And you will need, and it needs to be powered on when you do this, and you're just going to press and hold that for at least 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, this will initiate a hard reset to the factory default settings on the microphone.